Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming prerequisites, Flutter SDK installed, and your IDE ready. Create a Firebase project and register both Android and iOS apps now. Download config files. Next, add Firebase core to PubSpec. YAML and run Flutter pubget. Once done, copy Google services, JSON and Google Service Info. List into platform folders and configure Gradle and Xcode projects so Firebase initializes on App Start. This gets you immediately to a runnable app linked to Firebase. Now you wire Firebase features. In main, call widgets Flutter binding. Ensure initialized, await Firebase. Initialize app, then run the app. Add Firebase auth and Cloud Firestore packages and implement sign-in and Firestore CRUD functions. For Android, ensure Google Services plugin applied and necessary permissions in Android manifest. For iOS, add capabilities and update info. List. Once done, build and test on device. Authentication and database calls should connect. If reads or writes fail, inspect initialization order and logs to find the issue. Finish by securing and preparing for release. Adjust Firestore and storage rules, enable required APIs and analytics, and add your app's release SHA keys in Firebase console. Configure release signing for Android and provisioning for iOS, then build production artifacts with Flutter Build App or Flutter Build IPA. Make sure to test authentication flows and offline behavior. If something breaks, one key troubleshooting tip: enable verbose logs and check initialization sequence. Most issues stem from missing config files or Firebase. Initialize app, called too late.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.